hope you're all doing really well. I cannot believe it's the 1st of January. I bet there's quite a lot of people that are hungover today. I am feeling still a little bit rough, so I've had a few days off, probably about days off, I'd say 2 weeks off. I actually got sick over the Christmas, and you probably can still hear it in my voice and my chest. I lost my voice for a few days, which probably was a godsend for a few people because I talk loads, but actually really quite unwell. And then yeah, I've had a really quite lovely time off from social, and I've posted a few little bits but nothing really major. I've kind of tried to stay away from it and spend some time with my family and echo and just really enjoy just a few days off work and just, yeah, try to feel refreshed for this year. And I'm still not quite there, but I do feel really good, and I've just had a bit of me time, which was lovely. And today's video, I think, is going to be a bit of a catch up and just a reminiscing about 2019, but also things to look forward to in 2020. And also, if you can see, a load of products I have really loved that I'll be carrying with me into 2020. So I just wanted to share with you some of my favourite products and just have a little bit of a chinwag and a catch up. And it's my first video of 2020 and I can't believe it's 2020, but there we go, time's just flying. For me, 2019 was a very interesting year. It had its ups and downs, just like everybody else, but I think I've had some amazing highlights where I've had some really fantastic family moments. Like I went to Barcelona with my younger brother, and that was at the start of 2019, and that was amazing. Obviously 2019 it's been my first full year of being a married woman, which is, you know, it's really exciting. It doesn't feel any different, by the way. I don't feel any different, but it's lovely, it's been lovely. But then obviously I had Sri Lanka, but that was meant to be my honeymoon, but obviously it was the time of the bombings. It wasn't good at all, so that kind of made 2019 take a dip massively. That was a scary moment for Gary and I, but obviously we're safe, we're here. And then we got Echo, which was just lovely. We went to France to see Gary's family, which is amazing. We had the best time there, and we just ate and drank. Got a gin trolley, which I've been collecting gin. If you don't know, I'm a massive gin lover. I do have a Ginstagram. I will link it. It's only just a small little thing, but it's called the gin trolley. But there we are. I had my 30th birthday. I've had loads of really sweet spa days with really good friends. We've had great catch-ups. Loads of our friends have had babies, which is really cute and just amazing. So we've got like new members of the tribe. We got also to be godparents, which was so sweet. And yeah, then it was Christmas, and then now New Year's. We had a really quiet New Year, to be honest. It was literally just Gary and I and Echo, and we just had a bit of us time, which was just perfect. But yeah, that has been my 2019. I don't think that really sums up how incredible it was, and it probably doesn't share any of the really, apart from Sri Lanka, it doesn't really show any of the downsides of things that happened in 2019, but that things happen all the time, right? Let's get into actually my video while as I keep waffling on. I'm going to start with makeup palettes. So I have 3 Holy Grail makeup palettes that I am obsessed with. So I've got my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Now this is it's one of those palettes where it's so versatile and the shades are beautiful and you can wear it every day. You can obviously glam up and have a really, you know, quite beautiful garish wow look, or you can just be really subtle with it. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette, that is probably one I would definitely recommend to you. We have this little Huda Beauty miniature palette, which is called Topaz Obsessions. This screams me. It's just every shade in there is everything that I love. It's very bronzy, very orange, very autumnal, but shades I would wear all year round. I love this little pocket size palette. It's just wonderful. And on the palette side has to be my Me, Myself and Mitchell palette. This, I mean, you guys know I've created a few looks using this, and there's still so many more to go. It's just amazing. Some of these shades in here are probably so wow and out there, but I cannot wait to kind of dig deeper and create new looks with this. So definitely get this if you are looking for a creative, fun-filled eyeshadow palette that you can also create really natural, subtle looks as well. This is the palette. So that is eyeshadows. I'll put all the names of these in the description, by the way, because I have a tend to talk and then I don't share enough detail. So that's something that someone actually has said to me. So I'm going to take their advice and just pop it all in the description box for you. So watch out for that. When it comes to skin, I have two palettes which I love, both from Nars. So I have the Nars Summer Lights palette and then the Nars Assist Unfiltered Blush palette, which for me is just unbelievably gorgeous, and I love this blush. Like, this is one I've actually had longer than this palette, but I equally love them both. I use them both pretty much every day, and I'm obsessed. I'm trying to whiz through this so it doesn't take too long. So when it comes to skin, I have the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser. Look how filthy that is. I need to get a makeup wipe on that. So I've got the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser in Illuminating, and then the Laura Mercier Natural Skin Perfector. Both are unbelievably incredible. I've got the Skin Perfector on today, but I kind of swap and change in between both of these because they're stunning. I have the 3-in-1 stand in the Perfector and Natural Radiance in the Illuminating. Honestly, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous tinted moisturisers. I couldn't recommend them more. And then for concealer, my trusty Tarte Shape Tape concealer has been with me. I've bought a new one. I use the shade medium, and this is my go-to concealer. I don't really put concealer underneath my eyes. I usually use this more to cover any acne scars that I've accumulated in 2019, and also to base my eye when I'm doing creative makeup looks. It's amazing. I still love this to this day. I do have the Makeup Revolution, what's it called? Conceal and Define concealer. I've got it up there, but I rarely actually touch that one. I use this a lot more, but that is a great alternative if you're looking for a good concealer. And then of course my Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is my go-to holy grail. I love this. I love this. You guys know I love this. I've loved this for years. This is probably my 4th bottle of this. I just am obsessed. It's just fantastic. I use it every single day without fail. Under my makeup, over my makeup. It's just amazing. For cheeks, apart from my Nars face palettes, I actually love my Nudestix Poppy Girl blusher. This has got to be the best cream blusher I've used in the longest of times. It smells amazing, it goes on so well. I've got it on today. It just looks really subtle and natural and glowy, and I love it. I just love it. For eyebrows, I've got a NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara, and this is in the shade Brunette. And I also use the Maybelline New York Total Temptations Brow Definer in the shade Medium Brown. These are my 2 brow geniuses. This is what I've been obsessing over in 2019. I just like how they make my brows look. They just fill them in really well. And on days where I just want a thicker, darker look, I can really go in and they still look really good. I mean, I don't have perfect eyebrows, but they kind of get me closer to that, right? So those 2 are amazing. I definitely suggest trying these out. This is probably a great alternative to Benefit Cosmetics Brow Define Pencil as well, just as an alternative if you're looking for something a bit more affordable. Mascaras. I have 2 mascaras that I love. I have the Pixi by Petra Lashlift 118, and I have the Nars Climax mascara. I've got the Climax mascara on right now. I swap and change between these 2 depending on my mood, but both are fantastic. Both give you depth and length and volume. I love them. I really do love them both, and they're about the same price. So if you're looking for a mascara, I would definitely recommend trying out these 2. For lips, I have a few in my lips favourites. So for my holy grail lip balm, I love the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. This is something I use every single day. I carry it with me every day. It goes in my Ted Baker makeup bag. I love how this makes my lips feel. It's soft, supple, it smells amazing. The stick is massive, so it just lasts a long time, and a little goes a long way. Like, it just really does. For lip glosses, which I never thought I would ever say in my entire life, because I hated lip glosses up until 2019, I have two favourite lip glosses because they're not sticky, they go on really well, they've got a great colour to them, they make my lips look plumper, and that's the Bare Minerals Sugar Gloss and the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss in Peekaboo. These two are just insane. Like, they are so lovely, and they're very different in themselves, but they go on so well. And I like that my hair doesn't get stuck to my lip gloss when the wind blows. I like that it doesn't make my lips feel tacky. I love them. They're just fantastic, and I never thought I'd ever say that about any lip gloss ever, 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 but amazing. I also love the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Are You Filming? This is my all-time favourite red lipstick right now. It goes on really, really well. It dries down like a dream. It doesn't feel like dry on your lips. It doesn't make you feel like your lips are gonna crack. You don't have to keep applying because it lasts a long time. It's just a stunning, stunning colour, and it smells apparently like root beer. I don't know what root beer smells like, because in the UK I don't know if we actually sell root beer, but it does smell very tasty. So there's that. And of course my Holy Grail lipsticks, which you guys know has to be a Charlotte Tilbury. I have three. I don't know where my third one is. Can't find my third lipstick, but I have three. So I have three favourite Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I have Sunset Lover, which is this one right here. I have Kidmans Kiss, which is one of the best pink lipsticks you're ever going to find. And then there's also Super Cindy, but I can't find it, so that's really annoyed me. But that's like a really nice nudie pink lipstick. It's very natural looking, and all three are my favourites. I do love Sexy Sienna, but these are ones I'd wear all year round. So just cannot recommend Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks more, because they are my all-time favourite lipsticks. I've not found one that beats them in colour, in finish, in just anything. They're just incredible. Right, now, take a breath. On to actual makeup remover and skin. So you guys know, if you haven't watched my video, I'll probably link it above for you. I had a bout of hormonal acne during 2019. It's probably the worst few months ever because my skin was horrendous. It made me feel dreadful. But I've been using La Roche-Posay Effaclair and the La Roche-Posay Effaclair Duo. These two, and I still use them, are amazing. They help clear my skin so fast, and my skin feels soft, it feels clear, it's just giving me some confidence back, which is lovely. So I would recommend those if you are suffering from acne. Definitely do your research, but these are amazing. And then, of course, to remove my makeup, the Bare Minerals All Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil. I'll link my video above of showing you how good this is. This is insane. I love this. I use this every day because it takes my makeup off, and it goes a long way. Like, I've used a lot of it already, but it just is so amazing, and it's filled with such incredible products that are really great for your skin. So 100% recommend that. And then on to more like body skincare-ish type things. So you guys know I'm all about a face mask. I love a face mask. I have a few. So I love, love, love the Australian Pink Clay Sand and Sky face mask. I always have for the last few years. This is something I've purchased over and over and over again, and this will follow me into 2020. It's amazing. A new one that Gary purchased for me, which is insane, is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask by The Body Shop. Now, I don't really buy much from The Body Shop, but recently I have, and I've been loving everything that I've been purchasing. This is one of their best sellers, and I know why, because it's amazing. Me, Gary and his mum all did this on Christmas Eve, and it was so lovely. Our skin just felt incredibly smooth and clean and refreshed, and it just really works. I love this. For eyes, so I tend to get puffy eyes, or if I haven't had enough sleep, I tend to get dark circles. So I've been using the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, and I love this. It's just one of those products that just works and it feels amazing. But if I need an extra boost, I tend to go to the Pixi Fortify Eye Firming Eye Patches, which I probably do twice a week. And these are, I put them on my Instagram actually, they're a bit slimy, but they work. They are so good, and I just literally put them on, leave them on, go about my business, and in about 15 minutes take them off and my eyes feel, you know, a lot smoother, a lot depuffed, and they just give me back that brightness, which, I mean, we all need every now and again. I also have some Lush goodies that I am obsessed with. So I have the Hand and Body Dream Cream Lotion and the Rub Shower Scrub from Lush. These two goodies are unbelievably amazing if you're looking for a body cream that helps you sleep, and if you're looking for a scrub that makes you feel incredibly smooth and soft once you get out of the shower. There you go. That's like a dream combination, I think. I love Lush anyway, but these are two recommended products I would honestly tell you to go and buy now. However, I do have a favourite body cream, and that has got to be the Rituals of, I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to try. This body cream is by Rituals. It's a balancing body cream with Indian rose and Himalaya honey. It's, oh my life, like, it smells like heaven in a pot. I use this every day when I get out of the shower. I don't need perfume. It's just so lovely scented. It makes your skin feel really smooth, and it just goes on so well. Gets rid of dry patches. I am obsessed. I had a small version of this, and then I loved it that much that I purchased the big pot. I honestly would recommend this if you're looking for a body cream. Out any of the creams I show you today, this is the one. This is my favourite. It just smells just very womanly and just lush. Love it. And finally, it has got to be a little face oil, which I love. It's only small. I've only got a small sample of it. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I use this every night, and I've found that it's pretty amazing on the skin. I've heard so many great things about this, and I've had so many people to rave about this, which is why I purchased it in the first place. I only purchased a small bottle because I didn't want to buy the big one and it not work for me, but it really does. So I am investing in 2020 in the big version of this. But as someone who's obviously getting older, having a night serum is really essential in terms of keeping my skin rejuvenated and obviously trying to combat fine lines and wrinkles. And I know it's not always possible, but as much as I possibly can, I will. So yeah, and that's it. They are my holy grails of 2019. They're ones I am completely obsessed with and I use more often than not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope 2020 is an amazing year for you guys. I hope it's an amazing year for me too. And I'm just so looking forward to creating new content. I've got a few exciting things coming up, a few amazing ideas I've had. I say they're amazing because I think they're amazing, so let's hope they are. But I'm really, really excited to obviously take you along on the journey, and thank you so much for all your support in 2019. Honestly, it's been amazing, and I cannot wait to obviously start filming more and sharing a bit more of my life with you guys in 2020. So yes, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.